Ever seen text or images follow object perfectly in a video? Looks like advanced editing, right? Well, it takes just one tool in CapCut, and it's called tracking. Let me show you how to use it to make your content look 10x more professional. Subscribe now, and let's go. First, let's open your project and select the clip you want to work on in CapCut. Choose the video where you want to add tracking. Now, it's time to add the element you want to track, whether it's text, a sticker, or even another video. For this example, I'm adding this sticker right here, and I want it to follow the red car in the shot. I'll adjust the size and position of the sticker so that it's perfectly placed over the red car. Next, click on the sticker and select the tracking option. You'll see a yellow square appear. Make sure to fit it over the object you want to track, which in this case is the red car. Now, go ahead and click the Start button and wait for a moment while CapCut processes the tracking. Let's check it out now. Now, I'm going to test the tracking feature with text and a video as well. Let's see how we can make those elements move smoothly along with the action. Stay tuned for the results. Now, let's play back the final result. You'll see how it instantly gives your video a polished, professional feel. I encourage you to try it out and let me know how it goes. If you're looking for more tips like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Trust me, the next video is going to blow your mind.